Hi, this video I will show you how to draw ellipse of major length 150 mm and minor length 70 mm by using rectangular method and concentric circle method. So before to draw drawing, so set unit limit and zoom all the window. To draw rectangular, use line command. So draw rectangular of major length of ellipse 150 mm. So draw 150 mm and minor length of ellipse 70 mm. Make a rectangular. After drawn the rectangular, you can divide the rectangular 4 equal number of parts by joining the top and bottom midpoint and by joining the left hand side right hand side vertical line midpoints. After dividing 4 equal parts of rectangular, use divide command. Divide the center line 10 equal number of parts. So the point is not visible, so you can type dt point type, change the point style as your convenient, then set as OK. Now the points are visible. Similarly, divide this vertical line. So divide the vertical line the same 10 equal number of parts. The same 10 equal number of parts. So here ellipse has a closure curve which is having 4 vertex point. So here my convenient to explain, I consider this a top vertex point, this is a bottom vertex point. So draw the inclined line to the top vertex point from the vertical points. Similarly, from bottom vertex point, draw the straight line to the horizontal points. After making the line, use extend command, or you can use this extend icon which is available here. So use extend command, then select the line which you want to extend. Now this line extended till it will get intersect. If there is no line outside, it won't get intersect. Only the line will get intersect. The line will get extend till it is having intersection line. Second line I need to extend till it intersect this second line. Third line you can extend till it intersect this third line. This is the fourth line. You can intersect the fourth line. So till it will intersect this fourth line. Use point command to mark the intersection of the lines. Then similarly, we need to do other 3 rectangular box. So for that you can use mirror command. So select the object which you want to mirror. And press enter. Select the first line, first mirror line and second mirror line. So we will mirror the other box. Similarly, bottom box we need to do. So select mirror command. So select the point as well the line, then press enter, select the line. See, now we are mirrored bottom and top. Now you can use spline command. Now use spline command to draw the chord line of the ellipse. So you can start from here, then by picking the all points, all intersection point, so we will get the chord line of conic section. After selecting the end point, just you can select outside, then press enter, then only will get the smooth curve. Then to differentiate other than the construction lines, so increase the thickness. Now the thickness is not visible, so you can see now the increase the thickness, now the thickness is not visible. So you can use the command line width, use command line width. So here enable the display line width, then only so it's applied the layer line width. Then if you want, choose color, okay, so you can use any color, okay, to differentiate the ellipse, okay. So second one, so by using concentric circle method, I am going to draw the ellipse. So here major length 150 mm, so 150 mm diameter, draw the circle. So sorry, this is a radius, so draw the 150 mm diameter, select the diameter, then 150 mm, draw the circle. Then minor length concentric circle, so you can use the same center point, give the diameter, so give the diameter 70 mm as a minor length. Then similarly you can divide 8 equal parts of the 2 circle. For that, first you can draw one vertical line, then use array command. So this is a circular one, so you can use polar array. So it's asking, so which you want to make it as a array. Select the object of line. After the selection, press enter, then select the center point. So we got the array. So if we want to increase the number of equal parts, so number of items, so here I need to divide 12 equal number of parts. Suppose if you want, you can divide 8 equal number of parts or 18 equal number of parts, that your wish. Then use line command, draw one vertical line, download direction, so enable the ortho mode, draw vertical straight line. Similarly, draw horizontal line from the smaller circle intersection. Similarly, other one, so from the smaller circle, so you can try it. So use trim command, you can remove the, so you can use the trim command. Select the trim command, press enter, you can remove this unwanted lines. Then use mirror command, select the object which you want to mirror, then press enter, then specify the mirror line. Similarly you can do so bottom of the concentric circle. So again use the mirror command. Press enter, then specify the points. Now we mirror the, then you can mark the all points. So by using the point command, so mark it the all the vertex of ellipse. Then you can use spline command. You can start from here, then joining the, so switch off the ortho mode. After the selecting the end point, so press enter, or just you can right click, press enter. Now you can see we got the smooth curved line of ellipse. So here if you want to increase the line width to differentiate, so increase line width, and also you can use the different color. Okay. Okay, now you can see, so we got ellipse. Okay, we got ellipse by using rectangular method and concentric circle method. Okay, so both the method we got the at the same, okay, size. So because so we consider the major length or major axis length 150 mm and minor axis length or minor length 70 mm of the ellipse. Thank you.